want to make sure you hear me. I pledge allegiance to the funk of the universal unfolding, that I may be free to express myself to the fullest. Grant me that I may inherit from you an abundance of love, peace, joy, and happiness. It's time that we make a change for the spiritual oneness. Don't you be one? Don't you want to be? Don't you want to be one with the spirit? I mean, that is the purpose of life. Didn't you know? Find your spirit, connect yourself within, then all the life problems will come to an end. The voices speak loud. No, you're not crazy. You're not losing your mind. That's right. It's called a spiritual oneness, baby. Connect. Get tight. Star light, star bright. How I wish tonight that all the people of the world would unite and take flight in your universal unfolding. Spread your wings and fly. Spread your wings and fly. Spread your wings and fly. Fly away. Fly away in your universal unfolding.
Greetings, my people, and welcome to another volume of your intercommunal sound service. And today, it's just all about the music. Just let it take you away. That track was the sound of Oversoul featuring Gramophone, Universal Unfolding.
stepping through the mirror again. Reflecting, reflecting, reflecting. When the voices in your head intrude too much, you can't imagine it doesn't mean.
That was the sound of Easy Rollers and Walk This Land. And this is the Smoking Barrel edit. And before that, you heard the sound of Guardians of the Lions and 6.8 Calling. And today I am just in a cruise control mode. I'm in a reflective mode. And I'm just thinking and just taking it easy. I am definitely all right. And I'm just sharing that as always. And I just want you to take this session. I need you to take this session. Just take this music and just glide with it, fly with it, ride with it, sail with it. Just let it be your captain. You are not the captain. Let the music be your guide. Let the music be your pilot, your captain. And that's the whole essence of today's volume. Tunes on a Talk, your intercommunal sound service.
The sun, freedom gum, planet with style. Meanwhile, who came beyond the through getting pop? A thunder creamy spy wonders, cause sweeter than honey lives money. Yes, monkey see, monkey take, exploit to live high, fly higher, travel lush, off the blackest and fresh like Mr. Less. Oh, Wild Watts, K-Pots is getting ready to be tricky, you see. We sneak quick, number one. Royale under the sun, freedom gum, planet with style. Meanwhile, who came beyond the through getting popped? A thunder creamy spy wonders, cause sweeter than honey lives money. Yes, monkey see, monkey take. Export to live high, fly higher, travel lush. Off the blackest and freshest, like Mr. Lex or Mr. Wild Watts, K-Pop.
Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Just flying high in the Brooklyn sky. 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 Flying high in the Brooklyn sky.
Like to travel the cosmos is pure black thought. I travel the world with my chronic pimp walk. I travel through Brooklyn in constant lounge mode, yeah, but all I see in doodle big, supreme being, simply G'ing. Being the best that I can be in a world of negativity, I stay true. From Brooklyn to uptown, see no place to background. Never high post, just coast to the cool sounds. Lost and found in the pounds of homegrown. Kinda funny I'm making money for rocking microphones. I remember those days in Father Lord's basement, bugging off the peasy-headed beats that he was making. I'm creating styles, intelligent yet prevalent through your airwaves. I self-save the ill behave. Now I graves a spot where my sprouts can amplify and stay high as we soar the Brooklyn sky.
Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Cool as cold, black gold. Yeah, flying high in the Brooklyn sky. With razor blade precision, cash rhythm, relentless how I give them. Turn to the guard request, past that ism is tripping abnormally bad. Shit ain't no devil high as me, I be so placid behind the mic, meshing lights. My shit be tilted right. Then the beat broke, I filtered and blasted nice, mix clean. Roll with this sick quick team. Chill, hold up, wait a second. Now let me tell you for whom and which I got my 16. Those with the mentality for pimping weed. Pick COs upon them, my empty DM. Me no tell how I played it. Then blend it to the corners when I get my flow. I'm flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high, Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high, Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky. Flying high in the Brooklyn sky.
That's the beautiful sound of Digable Planets, featuring the legendary Lester Bowie on horns and Wawa Watson on guitar. Yeah. And I just want to say a massive thank you for the first track I played. I want to say much respect to Lizzie for introducing me to that track. So Lizzie and family, yes, Rob, much respect. A shout out to you all, the family, and shout out to my clan, my tribe members. It's all the same thing. Big up to my clan. Yes, peace, love, and unity always. For those who always tune in, much respect also. And for those who, come back at me, answering the questions and having a dialogue. It's lovely, and let's keep it going. It's nice. It's beautiful. Yes, it's great energy. And for me, I've put back myself on the premises that I'm supposed to be on. Because sometimes you maneuver through this reality and you can get thrown off your axis at times. You can get derailed, but you have to put yourself back on the axis and you have to put yourself back on track. And I've done that for quite a while now. And in the manic times, I do not feed my psyche, my well-being with what's happening. I still carry on as normal and it works for me. So if you feel like to cough, cough, people. You need to cough. You need to touch. You need to speak. You need to listen. You need to socialize. It's the human trait, human nature. And just know, once you've got that and you understand self, you will always rise.
is identical to one out of 1,000. Who knows the what, where, and hows to make it all happen? Positive reaction, though progression seems stagnant. And feminize the magnet for words like you can't have it. You're not worthy of any position except for missionary or barefoot inside the kitchen. Phrases often state to
Sounds of Sweetback featuring Bahamadia.
Does revolves around women, so let's explore realms of femme fatale. Foreclose the facets linked to excel. I defeat the odd to boost my morale. Start child to creation,
All natural. As we say, listen without prejudice.
Foreclose the facets linked to excel. I defeat the
Beautiful
odd
sounds
to
just
boost my
can't
morale.
dismiss.
Start child to creation,
All natural.
Brand Nubian, works it diligent, star child to creation, seeks her privileges without mimicking her male counterparts. It starts in the heart, not built to unify. Rap should be awarded to the ones who qualify. Equality's a vehicle that's rare to utilize. So why should I have rights if they are not exercised? Meaning as a whole in general, we live a lie. So let's explore realms of femme fatale. Foreclose the facets linked to excel. I defeat the odd to boost my morale. Start child to creation, all natural. Let's explore realms of femme fatale. Foreclose the facets linked to excel. I defeat the odd to boost my morale. Start child to creation, all natural. All natural. You remember me, the one that you label good to be an MC, the one that on occasion you weren't even trying to see nor feel, but hustle several years to get a deal. When ego overshadow true ability and skill, still rise like sun to shed light on judgment based on gender, cause I figured out my plight, to struggle and to fight, be heard and manifest my romance with respect, so brothers recollect. True romance with respect, so brothers recollect. My romance with respect, so brothers recollect. True romance with respect, so brothers recollect. All natural. Let's explore realms of femme fatale. Foreclose the facets linked to excel. I defeat the odd to boost my morale. Start child to creation, all natural. Let's explore realms of femme fatale. Foreclose the facets linked to excel. I defeat the odd to boost my morale. Start child to creation, all natural. Yeah.
Sounds of Cool Breeze and film score. end of another moment. Just taking it nice and easy. Sounds of Cool Breeze and film score. And before you heard the sound of Sweetback featuring Bahamadia, and also Sweetback featuring Amel Leroux in that little mix. So it's all about just relaxing to the people and being reflective, you know, or just let your mind travel, take it to a place, or just chill out, whether with yourself for a moment, whether with your family, whether you and your loved one, you know, you and your child, your children, whatever it may be. Just take that moment to just relax and just focus on all the great things that life has to offer and that life has offered you. Like I said, life for me, it's living in a full-time era. Yes, so my question to you this week is quite simple. Where is the essence of your presence in this reality? Yeah? Where is your essence of your presence in this reality? One more time. Where is your essence in the presence of this reality? That's my question to you this week. And my final track is from Tony Allen and Dr. L, and it's from the album Psycho on the Bus, and it's called Never Satisfied. And like I said, there's always some message in the music, whichever way. Even if there's no words, there's a message still. And sometimes the beauty and the joy of it is that it can be quite blank. You paint your picture, you let it work for you how it worked for you. You interpret it how you want to. So until next time, my people, my fellow earthling, earth people, people of earth, yeah, people of the universe, one love, universal love. Walk well, Hotep, and always take the time to be kind to each other. Final track, Tony Allen, Dr. L, Never Satisfied. Enjoy.
doing all we can, we give you everything, but never satisfied. What we gonna do? Never satisfied. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, what's you gonna do? You're never satisfied. Tell me, what you gonna do? We give all we can, we give you everything, but never satisfied. We give all we can, we give you everything. What we gonna do? Never satisfied. Never satisfied. Never satisfied. Never satisfied. What you gonna We give all we can, we give you everything, but never satisfied. We doing all we can, we give you everything, but never satisfied. We doing all we can, we give you everything, but never satisfied. What we gonna do? Never satisfied. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, what you gonna do? They never satisfied. What you gonna do? They're never satisfied.